Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cloudflare Turnstile for bot protection in mobile. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you want to protect with Turnstile. Locate the security section in the sidebar. Click on Bot Management within the security section. In the Bot Management menu, find the Turnstile option. Click on the Turnstile settings to open the configuration page. Here, you will see the option to enable Turnstile. Toggle the switch to activate Turnstile for your website. Next, scroll down to the Turnstile settings section. Choose the preferred challenge type for mobile users. Select between invisible and visible challenges based on your needs. Now, look for the site key and secret key. You will need these keys to integrate Turnstile into your mobile application. Copy the site key and keep it handy. Open your mobile application code where you want to implement Turnstile. Install the Cloudflare Turnstile SDK if you haven't done so. In your app, create a function to display the Turnstile challenge. Use the site key to render the challenge on the app. Add logic to handle the response from Turnstile after the user interaction. Make sure to validate the Turnstile response on your server. Use the secret key to verify the response with Cloudflare's API. Test the integration on various devices to ensure it works smoothly. Make adjustments based on the feedback and results you observe. Confirm that the Turnstile integration is functioning as expected. Finally, monitor your bot protection metrics through the Cloudflare dashboard. With these steps, your mobile application will now have enhanced bot protection through Cloudflare Turnstile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.